Thanks, Toby.
Assalamu alaikum, Abdul. Good morning.
Wa alaikum assalam. Maisa, what are you doing up so early?
Yeah, I've got a uni assessment due today, so Middle's helping me with it.
Not a last minute assessment, is it?
Yeah.
Last minute. I don't want to sound like dad, but you really got to plan ahead, okay? This is your future, inshallah.
I know, I'm working on it.
Inshallah.
You know, speaking of that, he gave me the hijab talk the other day. I don't know, he says I'm old enough to put it on, but then again, I don't want to put it on for the right reasons, you know?
Look, dad's just trying to look out for the best of your interests. And you know, the hijab's an obligation in our religion, but it's a personal conviction between you and Allah. So no one's going to force you to put it on or otherwise. So when you're ready, take the next step, inshallah.
Thanks, Abdul. Best big brother.
And I'm your only big brother, so consider yourself lucky.
Alright, I gotta finish this assessment. Gotta go.
Good luck. Seeking knowledge is an obligation on every Muslim, male and female. And to think Islam discourages education of women, Mesa would think otherwise. Honour your neighbours, love them and treat them kindly. Morning, Ron. Here's your paper, champ.
Very much, Abdul. Have a good day, mate. Thank you
too,
very
mate.
much.
You
Have a
take
good
care,
day.
huh?
Thank you. See you, mate.
Omar. Omar.
Abdul, how you been, man?
Assalamu alaikum.
Sam.
Man, it's been a while. What have you been up to? How you been?
Nothing much, man.
Come on, man.
Alright.
What? You don't seem alright, man. What's going on? Speak to me.
To be honest with you, I'm just sick of everything, man. Ever since Dad passed away, things have been going downhill. Pay at work is rubbish. It's hard when you have a kid.
Man.
I gotta make money somehow, man.
Inshallah khair, man. Inshallah khair. No one said life's going to be easy, man. Inshallah, man. Just be patient. With every hardship comes ease, man.
Where's the ease? Where's the ease? It's one problem after another. The only way through this is through the streets.
Oh, man, listen to me, man. You're my cousin. We grew up together, man. What did your dad teach us? Your dad taught us patience. What did he used to say?
I know, man, I know.
Say it. Just say it. What did your dad used to say?
Alhamdulillah for everything.
That's right, man. That's right. Thank God for everything, man. Those words, they're powerful, man. You know what I mean? Just patient. Just be patient. Inshallah. You know? Inshallah.
Thanks, Abdul, man. I really appreciate it.
Inshallah, man.
Whenever Allah wills good for a person, He subjects him to adversity. Allah is with those who are patient. Good, bad or ugly, we thank God. He knows what's best for us. Patience, Omar. Patience. Alhamdulillah, a smile is charity. So many people, so many differences. But in the sight of God, everyone is equal. The only distinction is through piety, regardless of class, colour, race or status. All people are brothers in humanity. That's equality. And to think most people believe the propaganda in the media. How can they blame an entire religion by the actions of some of its followers? It's clear in the Quran that if you kill one person unjustly, it is as though you have killed the whole of humanity. Ignorance. If only they knew.
Morning, Kev.
How you doing, Abdul?
Good, mate. How's your weekend?
Very, very well. And yours?
Yeah, not too bad.
What are you doing here so early?
Oh, I do start my day with the dawn prayer, and as part of my religion, our boss has a certain right over us, so I do like to be here on time.
Fair enough, but honestly, I don't know how you find the impetus to do that every day.
To please God and to endeavour for paradise.
Kevin speaking. The position. No, I've got the interview this afternoon. No, I want that position. I've worked so hard for it. It's my desire, it's my dream. Yeah. Well, it's quite a high promotion. but it's a dream job. I want it.
Well, I want the pleasure of God. It's the reason I breathe. It's the reason I'm here.
Can I call you back? Bye.
Oh, thank you so much, Abdul. How's work?
Good, alhamdulillah. How was school?
Alhamdulillah, was good.
Yeah, no trouble today at school?
Oh, kids will be kids.
Do treat your women well and be kind to them, for they are your partners. The Prophet's final sermon, he made it so clear. Treat women kindly. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, all praise is due to Allah, and may the peace and blessings be upon the last and final Prophet, Muhammad. O Allah, forgive me, have mercy on me, guide me, give me good health and provide for me. O Allah, make me an obedient son, a loving husband, a supportive brother, a responsible father, a faithful cousin, a generous neighbor, an excellent employee, and a productive member of society. Make all of my statements and actions, both hidden and apparent, be for your sake, and your sake only. O Allah, guide me to paradise, guide me to paradise, guide me to paradise. Amen.